How to fix Uber app background check issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to fix the issue for Uber's background check. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your web browser and then simply search for Uber background check issue. So go ahead and hit enter. And if you scroll down here, you'll find the option background checks and driving and delivering. So you could go ahead and open these two links. So as you guys can see here, Uber uses a third-party app called Checker to do background checks for its driver. So if you are applying to be an Uber driver, your application might also be on this checklist. So if you're having issues with it, you can go to the Checker candidate portal and then enter your details to appeal again. So click on this link right here and you'll be taken to this page. So you'll have to fill out your information again, like your phone number, email, your social security number, your date of birth, and then click on Get Status. It will show you what your status is on the checker. I think Uber also uses two other websites to do the checking. So this is the first one. You can just try to check your status right here and get, you could also contact their support team to appeal again. So if you've been rejected. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you and I'll see you guys on the next one.